Hey, welcome back. In continuation of our last video, today we are diving into two powerful features of prompt builder, field generation and flex generation. These tools help you create dynamic, personalized experiences with ease. Let's explore how they work and how you can use them to supercharge your marketing automation. Building on what we just saw, let's take a closer look at field generation prompt template. This feature leverages generative AI to automatically fill in specific fields on a record using contextual data from that data and its related objects. It's a game changer for automatic data entry, generating summaries and created content right within your Lightning record pages. No more manual updates, just smart AI powered efficiency. Here is a fields generation sample screenshot for reference, which we will discuss more in tutorial. Now let's look at some practical use cases for field generation. You can use it to auto-generate form entries, populate CRM fields, and even create metadata based on the existing record data. It's also incredibly useful for streamlining data entries across business systems, saving time and reducing manual efforts, right? These capabilities make field generation a powerful tool for boosting efficiency and consistency in your workflows. To get the most out of field generation, it's important to follow a few best practices. First, be specific about the field you want to populate and provide sufficient context from the record and related objects as well. Use clear and concise instructions and set constraint to the guide to the AI. Make sure your prompt is field type aware, whether it's a text, date, or pick list, and avoid overloading it too much with information. Always test with edge cases to ensure reliability, and if you're using it in automation, add fallback logic to handle unexpected results. These steps help ensure your prompts are accurate, efficient, and safe to use in production. Let's now implement a field generation prompt template using the account object. Our goal is to automatically populate the account description field with a summarized view. To achieve this, we will use data not just from the account itself but also from its related opportunities and contacts. Now, open your prompt builder from the setup and search within setup. In the quick find box, go to the prompt builder. Once the prompt builder is open, choose from template type as a field generation. Give from template a name. I am giving here Hexaview Field Generation Demo. API name will be automatically come, and in the objects I will be selecting the account object. And in the field you should select account description field and click next. Now this is a prompt template workspace. I am adding here, please provide the summarized detail of contact, of all the contact and opportunities with this account. You can add according to your requirement. Whatever you want to add in workspace, you can add accordingly. Now, once we have added this, we need to add the related data within it. Like if you wanted to add account name, you can add account name from resources. I will just give you a demo. I'm writing here account name, click on resources, account, and search for account. Here we added. Now same goes for opportunity information. What I will do is click on resources, select account, and then search for opportunity. Here you go, opportunity. Now save for contact information. I will just add the contact information and search within the resources and account and contact. You can even directly search for the contact. Now, what you can do is select OpenAI GPT for Omni mini model, anything you want to add, and click on save. Once you have added, you can save it and activate it. I am saving here. Now, once it is saved, activate it. Now, in the related record, select account record and click on preview. And now it is analyzing your request. It takes time to analyze your request because it is fetching from the whole sandbox of your organization. Whatever it is, it will take us little time to get you the provided or result data. In the response, you can see all the details of the account which is present in there, like associated opportunity, contact, whatever the requirement is, you can add in your workspace and you can see it. Here you go. Here are the details related to the associated opportunity and the contact of the account. Now what we can do is we can go to the account record, refresh it and click on the setting gear icon and click on edit page. Once it is open, in the detail box, from the right click on upgrade now, choose the account layout. I'm choosing the account layout and finish fund description and select created fund description. I will add search for it. It is at the below. So basically, once it is there, you can select create a template in the prompt template and save it. You can define according to your requirement here again. Now save it and activate it. Assign an org and select desktop as a default and click next, review and save it. Once save the page, go to the record page, find the description field in the details. So description field is at the end. Now in the right side corner, then the agent will populate your summarized data according to your requirement. It will analyze your data. It will take a time to generate the data. As AI takes a little time to analyze your whole data within your org. It is analyzing and it will populate your summarized data within your account record. You can use that data in your further process or whatever your process is. You can pull that data and use it for your different objects. Here you go. You have found the response from the agent. You can click on it and get it within your description field. Add it and you can populate it in your description field and save it. Here you go. Now let's move on to flex generation prompt template. Unlike field generation, flex generation is designed for broader content creation. It's perfect for generating text for PDF, social media posts, newsletter, emails, or even multiple fields across your records. What make it's powerful as its flexibility. There are no predefined entry points. You can use it with any object in Salesforce and invoke through Apex, Flows, REST APIs, or any other tools. It supports multiple data resources and complex scenarios. For example, you can create a personalized email or newsletter for guests, highlighting event during their stay using data from several record objects. It's a versatile tool for dynamic AI-powered content generation. When working with flex generation, it's best to use these templates when you need to pull data from multiple sources or automate content creation that isn't tied to a single field or email. Clearly define your prompt instructions. Include the right context and formatting guidelines to ensure consistent, high quality AI output. And just like with any automation, make sure to test and iterate it. This helps refine the results and ensure the generated content aligns with your business process. So, how do these prompt templates actually work? It starts with setup. User define the template in Salesforce Prompt Builder, selecting the relevant objects and fields as data resources. Then detailed prompt instructions are added, often using merge fields to dynamically pull in record data. Once configured, this template can be triggered from a various point in Salesforce, whether manually or automatically, allowing the generated content to be used wherever it's needed. It's a seamless way to bring AI-powered content generation into your business workflows. Here is a flex generation sample screenshot for reference, which we will discuss in more in tutorial. In this part of the demo, we are implementing a flex generation prompt template to generate dynamic responses based on the record details. For this example, we have chosen the opportunity object. The prompt uses the opportunity name as a plain text input, and the template is designed to generate content that reflects the context of that opportunity. Now, again, open the prompt builder, choose Flex as your prompt type, and give a template name as a Hexaview Flex template demo. An API name will be automatically populated. Now define name as an opportunity, object as opportunity. You can add another resource according to your requirement. I'm adding here, adding the type as a text and next. Now you can add your workspace, whatever you want to add. I'm just copying pasting here. Just as a sample, I will go to resource and search for name. Added opportunity name has been added. Now again search for is now account name I have added. You can add according to your requirement. I am just adding for a sample basis. Now I will add the opportunity name I have added. I will search for opportunity description, then opportunity, then the opportunity type. Here you go. Now click on save. Once it is saved, activate it. Activate the prompt. From setup, search flows, and once the flows is open, click on new flow. In this, once the new flow is open, select start from scratch. I am selecting start from scratch. Next, select stream flow and add elements. Add component display text. Screen I have added. Now search for a label and provide the label name like get opportunity name, API name, opportunity name. I would delete it. I would add again and I would search for I would search for text. Yes, so I've added here and I will add the name as an opportunity name and I will select the default and save. Now I will add another element, get records. I will give the name as an opportunity, get opportunity, object opportunity, and add the field name, opportunity name, and then search for the elements. Now add element, action, select the category. I will select the prompt name which I have given, that is Hexaview Flex template demo, which I have given. I selected it. Give label as a Hexaview Flex or whatever you wanted to give here, and set input for selected actions opportunity name which we have earlier created. I'm just clicking on it. What is this coming? Yes. Now add the search. Again, I will just check it. What was the name I've given? That was the opportunity name. Okay, I will add the same. Now, here you go. Now, once it is done, I will add one more element, string element, give label as a show prompo result, and add display. I will search for display and I will add it. Oopsie. Display, I will search for it again. Add it and text com component. I will add API name. You can add whatever you want to add. I'm just adding prompt. Now, once it is done, save it. Save the flow according to your name, whatever you want to give. I'm giving it HW prompt flex. Once save, click on debug and run. It is saving, and I will then just click on debug and run and check how the flow is working. Now, what should be a result? I am just opening it and debugging it and run. Now, once save, based on the opportunity name, we would retrieve the matching records and pass it to the Flex template. Flex template would generate the content and showcase in the flow. As you can see, it has generated us on the right hand side corner. Now that we have compared field and flex generation templates, let's understand how they actually work. It all began with setup. User define the template in Salesforce Prompt Builder, selecting the relevant objects and field as a data resource. Then, detailed prompt instructions are added, often using merge fields to dynamically pull in record data. Once the template is ready, it can be triggered from various points in Salesforce, whether through a record page, flow, API, or Copilot, allowing the generated content to be used wherever it's needed, either automatically or manually. Thanks for watching. To get in touch or learn more, email us or call us within the mentioned detail. Please do let me know in the comment section for any query you have related to it. We are happy to help you to build a smarter, safer AI solutions within Salesforce.